Okay. 14 days ago, I started reading this book, Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. Phil Knight is the guy who made Nike, or Nike, still don't know how it's pronounced. This amazing book is just, it's so good. It starts out like in 1962. He takes a trip around the world and goes to Japan because he did some business presentation in Japan, in business school about how Japanese shoes could be imported at a low cost, you could sell them, and you could make money. No one was interested. This idea made him millions. It starts out in 1962, goes around a trip around the world, goes buys shoes from Japan, sells them in America, makes profit, increased size of the company dumps him, lawsuit, another lawsuit, FBI comes up, his best friends abandon him, meets his wife, meets some girl before the wife, Mount Fuji, just crazy, amazing story. By the end of the book, it's 1980, like 18 years after all this, and he goes public. And going public means that the company's just been sold, kind of. He still controls it, but now he has hundreds of millions of dollars. The last part of the book, it's like a preface and it's kind of emotional. It's like, damn, Nike's so great. Even like our sweatshops, they have such great conditions and we're such good people and we donate all this money. And yeah, you can be skeptical, but goddamn, this is a good book. I don't care if it's a lie made by capitalism to sell more Nike or Nike shoes, I don't know. 10 out of 10 book, would recommend. Just so good. Oh my god, like I might even hate capitalism, I don't know. But this book made me want to start a company and like sell shoes. It's literally about shoe dogs, people who devote their life to shoes and shoe stuff and shoes and whatnot, and goddamn, is it good, is it great. It's all about these eccentric people, his friends, everyone gets a happy ending in the end, except his son who dies, rip. Yeah, 10 out of 10. It's a great book. I remember actually, my mum used to always take me to this one shopping center, and I'd always, in Target, go to one place where the logo was. And then after that, I'd go to where the books were, and I'd always see what books people are reading nowadays. This book, when it came out, I read like the first page, and the first page stuck with me. It's called Dawn. It's about him just like getting ready to go for a run. Because this entire company, Nike, is kind of on that spirit. Alright, keep filming. Enterprising, cool, amazing story by this guy.